Hi, it's Tim with 3D Machine. I'm aware we're currently working together on several projects, and we want to share with you some of our new capabilities that you might not be aware of. We have water jet capabilities, we have laser capabilities, we have fabricating capabilities, we have horizontal CNCs with pallet changers, we have vertical machining centers with pallet changers, we have Swiss machining now, we have twin spindle lathes with live tool and Y-axis. We've expanded our machining capabilities with a 20-foot router now with 2 heads on it. So this particular part, our customers order one part number. We manage all of the inventory for you. So it streamlines your process on your purchasing. You don't have to worry about sending us the components. We can source all that out. So the advantage of 5-axis machining is that we're able to hold a datum point right here, and then we can also rotate this in to get all of the ports on all the part located to this one datum without having to grab onto the part into another work holding, which may affect the tolerances. We look forward to working with you again with our new capabilities and being able to bring you better, faster parts at a more economical price. And we want to partner with you all over again.